how you order room service for your room from your TV. So you grab your remote and then you just hit the menu button on here, and then it brings you up to this, and you click on over to room dining, in-room dining. And then I can't read Spanish, so I'm going to the English menu, and then you select what you want. And then you go through and pick what you want. And then once you get done with your selection, you'll see there is where you press the number 1. So you do that and you go through and select how many place settings and if you have any food allergies. And then when you're done, it's going to tell you to press order. So it took me a second to figure out where the order button was because I kept looking on the TV, but it's actually right here on your remote. So when you get done and you decide what you want, or you've made all your selections, you hit order here, and then it will be here when it's ready.